Uh, Today we are going to discuss about network basics. Now, definition of networks. It is a set of technologies that connects computers. That it is the interconnection between different computers, and networks allows communication and collaboration between users. Now, what are the uses of a network? The first use of the network is simultaneous access to data. That is, you can share your files on the network. That files can be used by any of your friend or any of your student, and all that shared files are stored on a server. Now, the second use is shared peripheral devices. Nowadays, printers and faxes are common shares. By sharing a printer among the department, it reduces the cost per user for the organization. And also, with the help of communication network, devices can be connected to the network. With the help of print servers, you can control network printing as it manages the print queue. Now, this is how the diagram is showing how the data is sharing. These are pair computers, computer number 1, 2, 3 and 4, and this is a centralized server, or we can say here it is written file server, that contains documents used by other computers. These computers are going to save their documents on this particular file server. The next use is you can use the network as a personal communication, like everybody is working with email, instant communication, conferencing types like teleconferencing, video conferencing, audio conferencing, or the latest aspect of network is voice over IP. You can have a conversation with the help of networking wires through phone. The next use of network is easier data backup. Now you can backup your data with the help of removable medias, and server data are also backed up in one step. Now, common network types. These are the type of networks that are generally used. The first type is LAN, that is local area network. It contains printers, servers and computers. In this particular network technique, uh, the systems are closely related to each other. That is, this type of network can be set up in an office or a building, and an organization can have more than one LAN. The next type of network is WAN, that is wide area network. Here more than one LAN is connected and it is distributed over a geographical area. Basically it uses phone lines or satellite, and the latest example that one is using of WAN, that is wide area network, is the internet. Next type of network is metropolitan area network, that is MAN. It is a large network that connects different organizations. It is based on the sharing the regional resources, and most of the time ISPs, that are internet service providers, are selling this type of networks for metropolitan cities. This is a home area network. It is basically a small scale network that connects computers and entertainment appliances like your TVs, your PDAs, your personal digital assistants, with the help of network. Basically these are found in a home, etc. This is a next type of network, that is personal area network. It is also very small scale network and its range is less than 2 meters. Example that uses this type of PAN, that is personal area network, is cell phones, PDS and MP3 players. Now this is a new topic that says network topology. Now first of all we need to know what is topology. Topology is defined as the logical layout of wires and equipment. Now how to choose a topology for a particular network? The choice must affects your network performance. Your performance, that is a very important constraint in terms of networking aspect. Your network size, how many hosts are connected to that network, and your network collision detection, that once your network has been collided, so it must be detected. There are several other different types of topologies. Uh, this is the first topology, that says bus topology. It is also called as linear bus. One wire connects all nodes. That is, there is a single node of connectivity, and all the terminates are ends of wires. The advantages of this topology is easy to set up, and you don't need much amount of cabling while set up this type of topology. But there are disadvantages too. It is slow in terms of networking, and it is very easy to crash this type of network, as this is a single wire network. So once there is a breakage, and the total network is disturbed. This is a second topology known as star topology. All nodes connects to a hub, and the packets are sent to a hub by any of the system, and hub then sends that packets to a destination. That means there's a hub, centralized hub, which is going to work on behalf of other nodes. Advantage is the same as bus has, easy to set up, one cable cannot crash network. This was a disadvantage that was observed in bus topology, that while cable is crashed, the whole system is crashed. But here it is the advantage that one cable cannot crash network, but the disadvantage is one hub crashing down the entire network. If your hub is crashed, then your entire network goes down, and lots of cabling is being used, which makes it costlier than bus topology. It is the most common topology nowadays people are using. This is the hub, and all the systems are connected with this hub. If this hub is down, then all the nodes that are connected are down. This is next last topology known as mesh topology. All computers connected together with the help of mesh. Internet is a mesh network. That is, every network, every computer is connected with every other computer. Data will always be delivered because every computer is connected to a different network. The disadvantage is, as every system is connected to every other system, so lots of cabling and wiring is to be done, and it is very hard to set up. This is a typical example that four systems are connected with each other. System showing in red is connected with this blue, also with this green, also this purple. Same wise with the green system, with blue system, with every system is connected with each other. Thank you. This is the end of lecture. Thank you.